My name is Kevin. I've been without a formal job for 12 months now. Most days are not dramatic. I send resumes, refresh job pages, and wait for replies. When there is an interview, I still try to make myself look presentable before I go. After coming back, I often feel tired. Sometimes I just lie down and let the day slow down. At home, most meals are simple. I try not to spend more than I need to. Even a normal meal reminds me that life still has costs. Food, the car, the mortgage, credit cards. So when I go out now, I pay more attention to ordinary things like prices. In the mall or the supermarket, I am not just looking around, I am comparing. Some fruit looks good, but this is not a time when I buy whatever I want. I look for things that are cheaper, things that can make a few simple meals at home. Some greens are about 1.8 yuan each. Those small numbers matter more than before. A box of eggs is 15.9 yuan. If I bring that home, it can last for several meals. I also look at meat carefully. If something is cheaper, I will usually choose that first. This time, the interview was about 30 kilometers from home. It was near a factory outside the city. Public transport does not really reach that place, so even though keeping a car is expensive, I still had to drive. The car is a cost, but without it, some interviews are hard to get to. When I'm trying to save money, I still have to spend money just to look for work. Near where I live, there are small restaurants that charge food by weight. You take a plate and choose what you want. Fish, meat, vegetables. Most of the time, the price depends on how much the plate weighs. There are many choices, but I usually take more fish and vegetables, and less rice. I still try to control my carbs. It is not a strict plan, it is just a habit I keep. After the interview, a simple meal is enough. Around here, this kind of meal is very common. It might only be around 20 yuan, but when there is no income, every meal is still counted. After eating, I go home. There is no big answer today. Life just continues, one ordinary thing after another.